Hello boys and girls, we're going to code our dragon project, protecting the treasure. So we are going to start with the dragon. So on your code on the dragon, you will notice I already put a change a costume, put a starting position, and told how to play the game. So now I'm going to just show you what you're going to be doing with her. This code is pretty simple. So you're just going to have it forever point to the mouse pointer. So as it goes and tries to catch the different knights or whatever it's fighting against, then then it's pointing in that direction. So I'm going to say point in the direction, or point towards the mouse pointer. Now we're going to add a little bit more code to this later, but for right now, this is all we are going to do with her. So now when I do this, she talks. And you see where my mouse is going, she's kind of turning in that direction. So that is kind of how we will do this. So that is how you do the dragon. So let's talk about how we do the backdrops. So there's 3 different backdrops on here. So when I go to the stage and I click on backdrops, you'll notice I have already created one that has the treasure on it, that has thanks for helping me, and we lost my treasure. So to add the text, you just add the text box. But I wanted to show you how to kind of do the background a little bit. So the first thing you want to do is convert to bitmap and then pick your color. So I want it to be a green color. Sorry, go back. And then I'll come here, and it just turns the whole thing. Now I thought this was kind of boring, so I thought it would be fun to add some more things to it. So I decided that I wanted to add some trees. So, except I don't want to add it in a backdrop. I have to first add it as a sprite. So I'm going to come over here to my sprite and search tree. Now if I like this tree, now I go to my sprite, go to my costume, and then I can just highlight this, or I can just hit copy, then come back to my background, and then hit paste. And it'll paste a tree in there for you. So then you can do that. And now I've already done it. So I would just keep hitting paste and put it in there, and you can make them different sizes and move them around. You could also add rocks or anything else. So you just have to add a sprite, and then you have to just put them on there to make it more interesting. And now, of course, I don't need this sprite, so I'm just going to delete it. So I go and I hit delete. So now back here on my backgrounds, I'm just going to paste a few more of these trees, and to make it look like it's more fun. Makes it more realistic looking. So this is kind of how you would do your backdrops. Now, I did the same thing for the treasure. Okay, so now on the treasure, I did the same thing. I got some diamonds, and I just put several treasure behind her. So then when I did my next backdrop, I duplicated it. I changed the color and added the text, and then I went ahead to the background, and I added the diamonds. So in one background, the diamonds are there, and the next background. So the way I added the trees is the same way I added the diamonds. So this is how it looks like. She has the diamonds when she is being coded. So I hope you have fun coding this part of the project.